Good morning. Dito ako sa Tamar Park. Ayan. Tamar Park dito sa Admiralty. Admiralty Central. Ayan yung dagat. Oh, ayan. Maraming nag-i-exercise. Ito ang makikita. Building. Yan ang Admiralty Station sa baba. MTR. Yan siya. Daming taong naglalakad. Ayan o. Dinidiligan yung damo para hindi mamatay. Okay. Pumunta ako doon. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Wow, good morning people. Dito ako sa Tamar Park. Ito ang makikita natin sa tabing dagat. Admiralty. You can find this in Admiralty. See? The other side maybe it's colon side. On that side. This is in Central IFC. There, you can see the Ferris wheel. Ayan, makikita natin ay puro building. At ito naman yung Tamar Park. Ayan. Kung hindi dagat, building makikita natin. Ayan siya. Thank you so much for watching.